I say, why don't you just create a character, create a puppet character, and you can step out of the picture and do the puppet thing.
That totally is good advice.
What the heck?
Uh,
Why not?
so my stepdaughter has been asking a ton about doing a TikTok video. So I can't say which one it is because my wife wants them to remain anonymous. So she figured out a character that she is going to play to do it on TikTok because she's only 10. So she was like, "Yeah, I don't know if I want you to have that." And she goes, "Please, I can always do a character." And she was like, "Okay, but you have to do it very specifically. There can't be anything identifying. It's going to have to be done at the studio in front of a white screen so that way nobody else sees anything that's going on."